Yeah, I think it was a little bit cold last night. Panel and it's all iced up. I've got to get up there and de-ice it. Get some power coming in. Beautiful day here at the Stonehenge. That van there is Luke Explores. Silver van down there is Stuart Van with a View. I think Van Staffy Adventures is here as well. Just here is where Wild Camper Van Man is parked, but he's gone off to get some diesel. There are a few YouTubers here at the moment. Warmed up a bit. Still some ice about. Got down to -3 last night. Just started bringing in a bit of solar. 1.8 amps coming in at the moment. It's not bad for a winter. The size of that crow, it's huge. Beautiful day. Got one of these microwave porridge sachets, and I add some fruit and nut to it. Nice healthy breakfast. Unfortunately, I broke my cereal bowl the other day, so it's going to have to be made in a cup. And a spoon. Add some boiled water, and the porridge literally cooks itself. Add some of this, fruit and nuts. Yeah, breakfast is made. Nice healthy warm breakfast. Going for a walk with Ant and Luke while they go and get some firewood. There's a deer right down the bottom of the field. I doubt the camera will pick it up from here though. You get you, did it?
That's a nice one up there. It's fallen, but got caught. And get caught, that. Start getting a big shore on pole. Nice little bit there. Well caught. Yeah, bend it off. No. Swing round. Right. That's it. Cool. It needs to go that way. Right, not going to be. It needs to go that way because it's that V bit that's caught. That way, I reckon it'll go straight over. Oh, it's going to get caught this side now. Basically, it's got to go the way it fell, back up there. Sort of that direction. Unhook it. It's getting caught on that other side now.
Yeah, well, you'd have to cut it to get it down, wouldn't you? That'll warm you up though, Luke.
Yep. Nice now the wind's broken up a bit.
Yeah, I think I'll definitely stick to my diesel heater. Look at that awesome sky. You always get a good show up here. We've just been for a walk up round the stones. Now it's time for some dinner.